Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine. Today we are going in photosynthesis. We will try to discuss one more effect in this topic, that is the Emerson effect and red drop. Emerson et al. Emerson along with others, that is in Latin that is known as et al. Emerson and others, mainly a course के साथ है, his name was Lewis in the year 1943. Emerson and others, they performed an experiment in the year 1943, and during this experiment they measured quantum yield. Yeah, we can simply say the rate of photosynthesis. They measured quantum yield and they measured the rate of photosynthesis at different wavelengths of light. At different wavelengths of light. Now, how we can define? We know that during the process of photosynthesis, what we will see, oxygen gas is liberated. So this quantum yield की अगर हम definition लिखेंगे, how we can define this quantum yield, it can be defined as quantum yield. You may write this beta, quantum yield. How we can define this quantum yield? Quantum yield is defined as number of oxygen molecules. During the process of photosynthesis, oxygen molecules are liberated. Number of oxygen molecules liberated. Number of oxygen molecules liberated, or we can say released, per quantum of light, per quantum of light absorbed. कि जितनी लाइट एब्जॉर्ब हुई है कि वहां पर हम देखते हैं कि जो ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो कितने रिलीज हो गए, वो कितने लिबरेट हो गए पर क्वांटम ऑफ लाइट एब्जॉर्ब. नाउ व्हाट डिड दे डू? दे परफॉर्म एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. एंड while performing the experiment, they जो उनका experiment था, जो उनके जो observations थे, they made the graph. They showed there on the graph. In this side, that is the quantum yield on this side. Y-axis पर they show the quantum yield. We can write here, quantum yield. Quantum yield. यहां से हम क्या देखते हैं? What they have shown? Wavelength on x-axis. So what they did, जो उनका था quantum yield, चलो यहाँ पर it is the 400. Then they have shown this 480. Then 80 हो गया, 560, 80, 740, 640, 640, इसको 80 ऐड कर लो, 720, 720. yes. Be 400, it will be 440, 480, 500, no, 40, 520, 560 and 40, 600, 640, इसको 680. हाँ, अब यहाँ से हम देखेंगे जो क्वांटम यील्ड है 0.04, फिर 0.08, फिर हम देखेंगे 0.12, 0.06, 0.08, 0.1, 0.12. This was the graph, and when they draw the graph, how this graph looks like. This graph, it showed in the initial stage, it showed the certain decline. Then again, what we will see, what did they show? Now they did their experiments, and during the experiment what they have shown, we have studied this, the Emerson effect. Emerson effect हमने क्या देखा कि Emerson and his associates, mainly the Lewis, they measured the quantum yield at different wavelengths of the light. And we can define the quantum yield. Quantum yield can be defined as the number of oxygen molecules, can be defined as number of oxygen molecules which are released per quantum of light which has been absorbed. Now, after performing their experiment, they found that there has been a sudden drop in the rate of photo at this point, that there has been a sudden drop in the rate of photosynthesis, and which was noticed at almost, which was noticed at, अगर हम इस ड्रॉप को देखेंगे कि that there has been a sudden drop which has been noticed, that sudden drop, it has been noticed at 680 nanometer, that there has been a certain drop in the rate of photosynthesis which was noticed at 680 nanometer. This sudden fall in the photosynthesis yield beyond this 680 nanometer, which is called as the red region, which is called as the red region of spectrum, is called as the red drop. You got my point. Emerson and et al., what did they show? That they measured the quantum yield at different wavelengths of light, and they show it experimentally, and जो उनमें observation उन्होंने देखी, it was shown what we call as graphically. On the x-axis they take the wavelength, and on the y-axis they take the quantum yield. And what did they show? They show that there has been a sudden drop in the rate of photosynthesis which was noticed at 680 nanometer, which is called as the red region. This sudden fall in the photosynthesis yield beyond the red region, this sudden fall in the photosynthesis yield beyond red region of spectrum is called as red drop. Is called as the red drop, and they called it as a red drop. And after this, एमरसन और इस जो इसके बाकी साथी थे, mainly the Lewis, what they found? They found that उन्होंने ये भी देखा that the rate of photosynthesis, या जो हम देखेंगे rate of photosynthesis, it can be restored if simultaneously shorter wavelength is provided. Shorter wavelength is provided. कि there has been the sudden drop, and they show that this notices that the photosynthesis rate जो हमारे पास है, it can be restored. It can be restored if simultaneously the shorter wavelength is provided. Then they continued their experiment. What did they do? They What did they do? I will show you. They continued their experiment and exposed the plants to shorter wavelength, and they exposed the plants to the longer wavelength. So अगर हम बात कर लेंगे photosynthesis at 700 nanometer and photosynthesis at 653 nanometer. These were the two. What did they do when the plants were exposed separately at this wavelength as well as at this wavelength? The quantum yield in case of 700 nanometer, it was 10. When the photosynthesis it was carried out, when the plants they were exposed to the this shorter wavelength, and it was found that the rate of photosynthesis जो हम देखते हैं, it was about 44. So that was 44. Yes, not actually, it was something 43 point something, so we can write this 54. Now again, when the plants were exposed, पहले हमने इनको क्या प्लांट को एक्सपोज हमने किया separately at this wavelength as well as at this wavelength. Now when both the wavelengths were given to the plant simultaneously, जो हमने देखा rate of photosynthesis उस वक्त क्या थी? Rate of photosynthesis at 700 nanometer plus 653 nanometer at both. उस वक्त हमने क्या देखा? जो हमारे पास रिजल्ट जो आ गया, that was about 72.5. So when the plants they were exposed to the wavelength separately, at the longer wavelength quantum yield was 10, at the shorter wavelength quantum yield was 44 something, and when these plants they were exposed to both the wavelengths shorter and longer wavelengths, what we call as simultaneously, जो हमारे पास जो photosynthesis जो हमारे पास जो quantum yield निकला, that comes to 72.5. So हमने ये देखा कि जो rate of photosynthesis it was higher than in this case when the plants were exposed simultaneous to both the wavelengths as compared to that of the shorter and longer wavelengths when the plants were exposed separately. Again, this discovery of Emerson जो हमने देखा effect has shown us has clearly shown the existence of, उसने हमने क्या देखा है कि has shown us the existence of this effect, this experiment जो हमने देखा, this discovery of this is called the Emerson effect. This discovery of this Emerson effect, it shows us the existence of two distinct photosystems, two distinct photochemical processes. These two photochemical processes ये देखा गया है कि that they are believed to be associated with two distinct या two different specific group of pigments. अब जो हमने ये देखा, जो डिस्कवरी थी एमर्सन की, एमर्सन इफेक्ट, द डिस्कवरी ऑफ एमर्सन इफेक्ट, इट हैज शोन अस द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ टू डिस्टिंक्ट फोटोकेमिकल प्रोसेसेस which are believed to be associated with two different specific group of pigments which are called as, or systems which are called as photosystem first and photosystem second. What are these? Photosystem 1 and each photosystem they have got all the pigments except जो हम देखते हैं कि they have got all these pigments, but there may be some differences between these two photosystem first and photosystem second, which we will study in the next video. So what we have discussed today, the Emerson effect. They have measured what the Emerson had measured. He had measured the quantum yield, which has been quantum yield at different wavelengths of the light. They also quantum yield, how we can define the quantum yield can be defined as the number of oxygen molecules which are being released, which are being liberated per quantum of light absorbed. And when they show this experimentally, that they found there has been a sudden drop in the rate of photosynthesis was noticed at 680 nanometer. This sudden fall in the photosynthesis yield beyond red region of spectrum, जो हम कहते हैं, that is called as the red drop. So, which we have discussed. So, the sudden fall in the photosynthesis yield beyond the red region of spectrum is called as the red drop, which we have discussed. And also from this Emerson effect, we have found two different systems, that is called as the photosystem first and photosystem second. And these photosystems, which we will discuss in the future videos. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.